Hey Damon, how are you today? Good morning.
Good. How are you?
I'm great. So what's going on today?
Well, we have a little car show and kind of a grand opening
Okay.
for the business, so
Okay.
that people can, for one, become more aware of the business
Okay.
and what we do and why we do it.
Okay. So where are we at right now? Is this your shop?
Yes, this is Big Daddy Motor Cars. This is on Les's property. That's where we have a shop.
Okay.
It's not downtown in a commercial zone. It's
Okay.
on his property. And
How old is the shop?
well, we got the house 11 years ago, and we've been running out of the shop for about 3 years.
Okay. And how is it going so far? Big success?
It's going great.
Okay.
It just keeps getting bigger and bigger.
Have you gone around? What's your favorite so far?
Out of the cars?
Yes.
That's a tough one. Who doesn't like a Lamborghini or a
Of
Ferrari?
course, of course.
Well, you know, a blown 440 Cuda,
Yep.
you know, a Cobra Jet. I mean, there's so many. It's like I wish I had a garage and a shop of my own to have all that in it.
Wow. Do you have an ongoing project right now
We
inside?
have many. This is one.
Okay.
This is one. This is customers. His name is Eiley.
Okay.
This is a 65 fastback. It's got a stroke small block in it. All women like jewelry, right?
Of course.
This
Wow.
is guys' jewelry. This is what guys like for jewelry. This is a 351 Windsor stroked,
Wow.
600 horsepower.
Ooh.
So it's an old car with modern suspension.
Wow.
It doesn't have it on it right now, but it will.
It will.
Modern drivetrain, modern electronics, push button start, electric windows,
Wow.
touch screen, stuff like that.
How long will it take you to
To build this car,
Yes.
it's about a year. So you turn to this car right here. This is 67 fastback.
Okay.
This car is going to look exact same as Les's right behind it.
Okay.
The only difference is this has all the modern suspension and everything, but it has a supercharged Coyote engine in it,
Okay.
whereas that has a standard 351 Windsor.
Okay. Wow.
But this car is going to look exact same as that. Good to see you, brother. That's
Wow.
another customer.
Okay.
His son is a red convertible over there,
Okay.
and his car is a red 73 Firebird sitting in
Inside.
the back. You saw
Okay,
that.
yeah, I saw that,
That's
yeah.
his car. That's Rich Ferrado
Okay.
and his son Nick Ferrado.
Okay. Sounds good.
Local business owners,
Okay.
car people, stuff like that.
Okay.
So, just a little idea is we do this because there's a lot of businesses out there
Okay.
that take advantage of people. You bring them their car, they pay a bunch of money, they hardly get anything done, they spend their money, and it takes forever to try and get their car back. So there's a lot of people being taken advantage of. So we're trying to let people know that there's an honest business out here that does mostly Mustangs, but we do a few other cars too, so that people can have a trustworthy shop to bring their car to that's friendly, that we do things that people like to do.
You said that one will take a year
About
to
a year,
build.
yes.
Is that like a full time, 40 hours a week, or?
It's around 40 hours a week, yeah.
It is.
Yes. That's
Oh my God.
all week, about a year. Yep.
Okay. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.